guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D and I'm back with another recipe on today. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make these easy Parmesan crusted air fried chicken legs. When I tell you amazing, they are amazingly good. My family absolutely love them. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. You're gonna need about 15 chicken drumsticks, 1 Ziploc bag, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese finely grated. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of dried minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of dried minced onion, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, 1 tablespoon dried oregano, and lastly 1 tablespoon of dried basil. After you have put all of your seasons and cheese mixtures in the bag and given a really good shake, you're going to take your olive oil and you're going to drizzle it all over the chicken like really well. Get it really coated with olive oil. Next, you're going to shake each piece of chicken and the cheese mixture, not to overcrowd the bag, but like 3 to 4 the most at one time. And you're gonna place them in your air fryer, and we're about to get this show on the road. Because I have a Ninja FOODI, I place mine on the bake and roast option at 400 degrees for 20 minutes, flipping them halfway through. They look amazing. However, I do want that crispiness to them, so I'm going to air fry them for 5 minutes on 400 degrees. However, if you do not have the bake and roast option, you can just air fry them straight out, and I will do them on a lower temperature. That way they're not cooking too fast and the outside get crispier and the inside is still a little undone. This is it, you guys. This is the end result after they have air fried for that extra 5 minutes. Don't they look marvelous? Like juicy, tender, oh my goodness, crispy. They look really, really good. Once your chicken legs are done, you can sprinkle more Parmesan cheese on top. All this do is enhances the flavor. It is absolutely amazing, you guys. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're new to my channel, then it was something about this recipe that brought you to my channel. So with that being said, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and turn your notification on. That way you will not miss an upload from your girl D, that's me. And to the next time, and to the next video. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot. I love my subscribers. I always tell you guys I love you guys, so I love you guys. Now, until the next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.